We have built a new computer today, September 12, 2011, and I'm going to go through with you with the motherboard we used, and also I'm going to talk a little bit about the heatsink we used to custom build this gaming computer. So this is the motherboard we chose, Gigabyte GA-Z68XP-UD3. So if we look inside, you can see the motherboard manual, and that's the system drivers. We have the Gigabyte NVIDIA GTX 560. That's the video card we installed, and it comes with the software CD and also the manual. We have a very good power supply. We used Antec 500 plus. We don't need to use this cable. It's extra because the power supply comes with the right power cord to connect to the video card. And this is just adapter to convert from digital to analog if you have an old analog screen. This is the Intel CPU we installed in this computer, Intel i5. And as you see, it comes with the heatsink. That's the standard heatsink. It comes with the CPU. But we decided to use Noctua with 6 heat pipes. You really have to consider, if you're building a gaming or high-end computer, to have a better cooling, so you will add that additional functionality, and you know it will add that confidence that your computer will be more consistent. You can see the heatsink, it fit nicely inside this motherboard. It's massive, and you can see underneath the memory, the 8 gig we put there, and you can see there is a sensor attached here, CPU. This sensor, it will work just to show you and give you indication through this dashboard at the front, the current temperature. This dashboard, it has 2 USBs, FireWire, SATA, eSATA, and it has the audio plug, and it has the card reader. So it's really very cool. So you don't need to add additional card or use external USB. It's all in one. It looks very cool and sharp. That's the DVD burner. If we come closer with the camera, you can hear a very, very low noise. You can see the heat pipes for the video card here, and you can see the 6 pipes from the heatsink also at the back here. Don't you just love a computer custom built for you like this? Now you can afford it. We can custom it and build it for you, and even send it to your home door or office. To find more information, just click in one of the links below, and we will be very happy to assist you.